Good morning, students of class 11th. I, Sabah Shaheen, your biology teacher, welcome you all again in this amazing class and hoping that you all are safe, healthy and studying with us. Today, I will continue biology of class 11th, lesson number 2, that is biological classification. Students, before starting the class, I have a notice for you all. It is informed you that now stationery shops are open. You can purchase your books and copies from there and complete your work on fair copy. Understand all of you? Now let's start the class. Students, you just see this image. Can you guess what we are going to study in this particular class? Yes, it is fungi, and today we are going to learn about kingdom fungi. The fungi constitute a unique kingdom of heterotrophic organisms. They show a great diversity in morphology and habitat. When your braid develops a mold or your orange rots, it is because of fungi. The common mushroom you eat are also fungi. Students, it is a large kingdom with more than 1 lakh species. They are saprotrophs or parasites. Reproduction can be takes place by vegetatively by fragmentation, fission and budding, asexually by spores just like conidia or zoospores, and sexually by oospores, ascospores, basidiospores. Now next we have classification of kingdom fungi. There are 4 mainly classes. One is phycomycetes, second is ascomycetes, third is basidiomycetes and fourth is deuteromycetes. Now firstly we will discuss about phycomycetes. They occur in aquatic habitats. Mycelium is aseptate and choanocytic. Okay? And mostly asexual reproduction takes place by zoospores. A zygospore is formed by fusion of 2 gametes, and these gametes are similar in morphology. That means these gametes are isogamous. An example of this class are Mucor, Rhizopus, Albugo, etc. Now second, ascomycetes, commonly known as sac fungi. The ascomycetes are mostly unicellular just like yeast and multicellular just like penicillium, and mycelium is branched or septate. Next is basidiomycetes. Commonly known forms of basidiomycetes are mushrooms. They grow in soil, on logs, and they also live in plant bodies as parasites. For example, rust and smudges. Okay? Includes mushroom. They grow in plant bodies as parasites. And mycelium is branched and septate. Karyogamy and meiosis takes place in the basidium, producing 4 basidiospores. And the basidiospores are exogenously produced on the basidium. Okay? The basidia are arranged in fruiting bodies called basidiocarps. Some of the common examples are agaricus, means mushroom. Now fourth is deuteromycetes, which is known as imperfect fungi because only their asexual or vegetative phase are known. The mycelium is septate and branched. Are mostly saprophytes or or parasites. Okay, just like Alternaria, Trichoderma, etc. Now it's time for the homework. You all have to learn and write about kingdom fungi. Okay, students? Again, I am repeating that. Now stationery shops are opening. You can purchase your books and copy from there and complete your work on fair copy. Understand all of you? Students, after the completion of this chapter, there will be an online test for you all. So prepare all these topics for test. So with this, I end my class today. Enjoy your day. Keep on learning throughout the day. Bye students. Take care all of you.